In this video, I will show you all the different fees when leverage trading on the platform Bitget. We will look at all the fees that there are, how high the fees are. I will show you some examples and the comparison to other exchanges. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And you can always pick up the best sign-up bonus possible. Currently, they have a winter event where you can get up to 1 Bitcoin and a $500 Amazon gift card. Sometimes it can also be up to $5,000 for pickup, depending on how much you deposit. So with the link from the description, you will always definitely get the best sign-up bonus possible. So let's jump right in the fees. We are looking here at the futures trading fees. We can see the different trading pairs, and we can see the trading fees are basically all the same for all of them. First of all, we have the maker fee right here, which is 0.02%. Maker fee means that you always have to pay it when using a limit order. So when you're trading and you choose right here limit order, then of course you can set a certain price at which you want the order to be executed. For example, if we say right here $40,000 and the price goes down, only if that price right here is reached that we typed in here, then the order will be executed and then we would have to pay the maker fee. On the other hand, there's also the taker fee, which is a bit higher. The taker fee is at 0.06%, and this fee we always have to pay when using a market order. So if you're using right here a market order instead of a limit order, then you cannot set any price right here because it will be executed immediately at the current market price. The downside is that the fee is a little bit higher, but on the positive side, you will have a guaranteed execution of the order and you can start trading and enter the market immediately right now. Let's take a look at this comparison where we can see Bitget down here with the 0.02% maker fee and the 0.06% taker fee. I also calculated an average for you, which sits at 0.04%. And an example, if you open a $10,000 position, you would have to pay a fee of $4. As you can see, the fee is pretty comparable to pretty much all of these other exchanges. There's not really any big difference. You can see Bitget sits roundabout in the middle, and I definitely can tell you that these 0.04 or any of these fees are extremely low because, you know, the Bitcoin price can move up or down within a day a few percent. So 0.04% definitely don't make that big of a difference. Also, let's say we have a $10,000 long position and the price only moves up 1%, we would make $100 of profit. So $4 wouldn't really make that big of a difference. Also, another fee that is there is the so-called funding fee, which you can always see right here. First of all, there is a rate right here. If it's positive, you would have to pay that fee if you have a long position opened, and if you have a short position, you would actually get that amount credited. On the other hand, if it's a negative value with a minus in front, then you would have to pay that fee if you have a short position, and you would actually be credited that amount if you have a long position opened. It's very important to know that this rate right here and the sign in front can definitely change depending on the current market situation. For example, if more people are currently going long or short. And it's also important to know that this funding transaction right here only occurs when this countdown right here reaches 0. So if you open a position before it reaches 0 and you close it before it reaches 0, it doesn't really matter. Only if you have a position opened and this timer reaches 0, then this funding right here becomes applicable for you. You sometimes can even get something credited, and even if you have to pay it, it's extremely low. By the way, this countdown right here resets every 8 hours. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible. Also, I have many other tutorials on my channel which you can check out about how to deposit or how to trade on Bitget. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.